admissions not conclusive proof, but they may operate as estoppel. Admissions की evidentiary value क्या होती है? They are not the conclusive proof, but they may estop the person who made admissions. Now estoppel would again be dealt under section 115, so no need to worry for that. Now difference between admissions and confessions already dealt by me. Let's understand this through PDF. Confession is a statement made by the accused which is sought to be proved against him in a criminal proceeding. That means confession is a direct acknowledgement of the guilt. Admission is, on the other hand, it comprises of statement amounting to defined under section 17. What section 17 state that admission is a statement which gives us inference as to the fact and issue or a relevant fact. Now, point number 2, confession, if deliberately and voluntarily made, can be used as a conclusive proof. If a confession is made voluntarily by fulfilling the requirement of 164 CRPC, then they can be considered as a conclusive proof of the matters concerned, and a person can be convicted merely on the basis of confession. However, on the other hand, admissions are not conclusive proof, but they may operate as estoppel. Section 31 का principle. Confessions always go against the person making it. If I am saying that I murdered A, then this is something which is used against me. So confession is always against the person. However, admission may be used on behalf of the person making it if the conditions of section 21 are fulfilled. In section 21, we saw 3 conditions when admission can be used in favor of the person making it. There is no such condition in confessions. Number 4, confessions made by 1 or 2 more accused persons jointly tried for the same offense can be taken into consideration against the co-accused. Confession of a co-accused can be used as a confession against the other person with which he is being jointly tried. Admissions by one of the several defendants in a suit is no evidence. Okay, we do not have the principle of co-plaintiff and co-defendant's admission in the concept of this. Confession is a written or oral which is direct admission of a suit. I am admitting directly my guilt. Okay, so this is confession. Admission, on the other hand, is a statement, oral or written, which gives us inference about the fact and issue. It is merely giving some sort of inference with the fact and issue or a relevant fact. On the other hand, confession is direct acknowledgement of a guilt. There is one more remarkable difference. Confession is only with criminal law. On the other hand, admissions can be both in civil as well as in criminal law.